Have you ever thought about starting your own digital marketing business? In today's digital age, it's a path that can prove to be rewarding and profitable. Let's delve into the steps that can guide you on this journey. Firstly, immerse yourself in market research. Understand your target audience, the competition, and industry trends. Identify potential niches or areas of specialization within digital marketing that spark your interest and align with your expertise. Once you've gathered your research, it's time to create your business plan. This should outline your services, target market, pricing strategy, and marketing approach. And don't forget to include financial projections. Next, choose the legal structure of your business and register it with the appropriate authorities. Whether you decide on a sole proprietorship, partnership, or an LLC, this step is crucial in marking your territory in the business world. Then comes the exciting part: developing your brand and identity. Craft a logo, build a website, and create marketing materials that reflect your business values and resonate with your target audience. Now, decide on the specific digital marketing services you will offer. This could be search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, pay-per-click advertising, email marketing, or a combination of these. Once you've defined your services, it's time to build your team. Hire professionals or freelancers with expertise in different areas of digital marketing. Or, if you're a jack of all trades, you may choose to handle everything independently. Investing in the right tools and technology is also a key step. These will help you manage campaigns, analyze data, and communicate with clients effectively. With your team and tools in place, you can now focus on client acquisition. Develop a strategy to draw clients in, whether that's through networking, referrals, cold outreach, or even marketing your own business. Remember, the goal is to deliver results. Build a strong reputation through excellent customer service and results, ensuring clients come back for repeat business and refer you to others. In the world of digital marketing, staying updated is crucial. Keep an eye on industry trends, algorithm changes, and new technologies to maintain a competitive edge and offer cutting-edge services. Scene script. Don't forget to network and build partnerships. Relationships with other businesses and professionals in related industries can lead to valuable referrals and new clients. Lastly, measure your success. Regularly track key performance indicators to gauge the success of your campaigns. This data-driven approach will help you make decisions that optimize performance and return on investment for your clients. Starting a digital marketing business may seem daunting, but with dedication, hard work, and continuous learning, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. So, why not take